trains wind up in Chicago, is what she has said to me. And Shakespeare neither lend nor borrow in the land of liberty. Now I'm two-shoed and three-chord strumming, curbside crooner downtown, and I find myself denying 3 whole times that Jesus turned water to wine. You know, we shake hand with the man up north, talking Arishad. Who's that pouring my port from a bottle took down from Starlight Shelf, wishing on your good health to return. So when the flame gathering of sticks to flame, hear a man talk singing Jersey St. James and kettle hot brew, the gold trim smoke will be passed right through. The gold trim smoke will pass right through. Now I'm far behind the tomorrows, taking down from the cupboard a box of hip-shaking blues, pouring castle sand from no man's shoes, because the turtle beat the hare fair and square, 9:01 and 2:15. The track humming wheels that sing to you and I, sing as well to the king throne sky, sing as well to the king throne sky. So when they gather in the sticks to flame, hear a man talking, singing Jersey St. James, and kettle hot brew, the gold trim smoke will, pass right on through. So when the gathering of sticks to flame, hear a man talk singing Jersey St. James, and kettle hot brew, the gold trim smoke will pass right on through. The gold trim smoke will pass right on through.
Todos los trenes terminan en Chicago, es lo que me dijo, y Shakespeare no presta ni presta prestado en la tierra de la libertad. Ahora tengo 2 zapatos y 3 acordes con Si de Croner en el centro. Y me encuentro negando 3 veces que Jesús convirtió agua en vino, le dio la mano al hombre del norte hablando de Arachat, cuyo puerto me sirve de una botella, derribo del estante de Starlight deseando tu buena salud. Así que cuando la reunión de palos a la llama, oí hablar de un hombre cantando Jersey St. James y la cerveza de oro de tetera y humo de oro recortado pasará a través. Ahora estoy muy lejos de la toma de mañana, bajando del armario un blues de cadera temblando, lanzando arenas castañadas de los zapatos de mi hombre porque la tortuga le pegó a la liebre y cuadrada de 1 minuto a 9 a las 2:15. La pista zumba las ruedas que cantan para ti y para mí. Canta también al cielo del rey trono.
In the land of liberty. Now I'm two-shoed and three-chord strumming, curbside crooner downtown, and I find myself denying 3 times that Jesus turned water to wine. He shake hand with the man up north, talking Arishad. Who's that? Pouring my port from a bottle took down from Starlight Shelf, wishing on you your return to health. So when the gathering of sticks to flame, hear a man talking, singing Jersey St. James and kettle hot brew, the gold trim smoke will pass right on through. Yeah, and the gold trim smoke will pass right on through, right on through, right on through. And the gold trim smoke will pass right on through. That was the song I just wrote a little while ago. I hope you all enjoyed it. God bless and have a safe and great day, as good as it can be. Take care, everybody.